Page 445, number 33. Determine whether u and v are orthogonal, parallel, or neither. And we're given that vector u is negative 12, comma 30. Vector v is 1/2, comma negative 5/4. Now if I just make a rough sketch of these, u goes 12 to the left and 30 up. So vector u looks something like this. Vector v goes 1/2 to the right and 5/4 down. So vector v looks something like this. Now I want to tell whether u and v are orthogonal, parallel, or neither. First of all, to tell if two vectors are orthogonal, we need to check to see if their dot product is equal to 0. Now dot product u dot v we can find by multiplying the first coordinates. Negative 12 times 1/2 is negative 6, plus what we get when we multiply the second coordinates. 30 times negative 5/4, let's see here, that's going to be equal to negative 75 halves. And not sure what that's equal to, but I can see right away that that definitely does not equal 0. So u and v are not orthogonal. If u dot v equals 0, then it means these vectors are orthogonal. Now, are these vectors parallel or not? Well, to find if they're parallel, we have to see if these angles are the same. So let's see how we can do that. Let me just make a sketch of this, a bigger sketch down here. So if I have vector u, it goes 12 units to the left and 30 units up. I can find theta by using tangent. Or I can say the tangent of theta equals 30 over negative 12. And I don't really have to find theta. I can just write this fraction and reduce this if I can. Let's see if I divide top and bottom by 6, I'll get negative 5 halves. Now let's do the same with this vector over here. I'll draw it a little bigger just so we can see it better. Vector v is 1/2 to the right and 5/4 down. Here's my angle theta, and I can say the same thing. The tangent of theta is equal to negative 5/4 over 1/2. And if I multiply top and bottom by 4 here, I get negative 5 over 4 over 2, which is 2. And notice the tangent of theta equals the same quantity, which means theta is the same angle, which means that these two vectors are parallel.